So this part right here requires a joggle. And it's broken up into two setups. And it automatically came up with this for the backstops. So if you drag the backstops, you can place them. Makes it easy. Now, this was the automatic neck setup. And we don't have a whole lot of small tooling like this and this and this. So we like to use that on the 7036. So we're going to highlight all of these tools by holding the shift key and clicking on them. Then we will go to change tool. And these are all the tools that we have. So we're going to go with the tall tooling. Now all the tools are changed. And now we can finish bending the rest of the part. Sometimes it likes to do weird stuff like this. So when you click on the bend, this will pop up, and if you want to flip your gauging point, you can do it like that. But now it says punch will collide with part. So we could do it over here. And when you see that red line, it's centered within the die. But it still collides with the punch. So we can flip the punch around, and that will solve that. Do it again. Highlight the bend, flip the part, we get a collision. We'll slide the part over by clicking on it and holding on. We'll play it again. Now, it needs to be pretty precise when it comes to getting this lined up. So I'm focused on this side right now. It looks pretty flush with the part and the tool, but over here we have a pretty good size that needs to be fixed. So then I'll click the bottom, I'll hold the shift key and hold the top, slide over, and now that's closer and we'll be able to hit it more equally. Now if for some reason you don't like a corner stop, you can always either do auto place, it'll move the stops, or you can change it to where whatever is highlighted, you can change it to a clamp. So let's go back to step 9. Maybe move the finger over here. We'll go like that. So that way when it transitions, it doesn't really have to move. And that would be pretty simple. As you can see, we have a skinny die over here and regular dies over here. But that would be a simple part. Now if we wanted to save this part, we we would have to edit the name down here, put a space, a hyphen, the machine number 5130, enter, go to File, Save As, under Trump Press Break, the customer, and then if the main file for this part number wasn't created, you would create it in here, match it up, make a new folder, and then you would go inside, and just like this you would have all the machines that can run this part. Like this one has a 5130 for 1847, and that's the software program for this machine and part.